The highest recorded temperature on Earth is 136 Fahrenheit degrees. The lowest is negative 129 Fahrenheit degrees. What is the difference between these temperatures? So we have first number is 136. We have to find the difference, so minus, and the second number is negative, so I use parentheses, so it will be negative 129. So this is equal to negative. To memorize two negative signs, give me always positive sign. So we can rewrite that this is 136 plus 129. So this is equal. We have 136 plus 129. We start from the last column. We keep ones in one column, tens in one, and hundred in the one column. So 6 plus 9 is 15. So we have 5 and 1. We have to add to next columns. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and we have 1 plus 1 is 2. So our solution is 265. The difference between these two temperatures is 265 Fahrenheit degrees. This is my solution.